Hey, we're here at the 2022 SEMA show, and after 3 years, I finally finished my 57 Chevy here in the FiTech booth. And I would like to show you just a few things that we've done with the car. One, we built an intake system that goes into the front fender here, and there's a giant K&N filter underneath here. That really gives a lot of airflow for it. It is a supercharged pace performance motor. It's making about 750. It's been probably all of about 300 yards right now, so we really don't know how well it runs, but we'll get it tuned up. We'll get Jeremy here at FiTech to put it on the dyno and really dial it in, and it'll be a lot of fun. The bigger thing on this car is the paint job. So I've been painting since I was 13, so it's about 49, almost 50 years now. So what this thing is it's a faded paint job. It changes from black to red, and then after I get it faded, I put a candy red over the top. A few components that help me do that is we use PPG paint, we use Kaeser Compressors, and I use a soda spray gun. Those three combined with me in my hand, I get that paint job. So I'm really, really happy with it. I'm happy we're here at SEMA, and I'm glad we made it.
Nice.